Hi everyone, my name is S.J.Riya. I am from Isha Vidhya Nagercoil. Hi ma'am. Today we are going to learn about stealth technology. Super ma'am, have you ever heard about invisible plane? Yes ma'am. Then tell me about it. Sure ma'am. Invisible planes are not visible to our eyes, so only they are called as invisible planes. A small correction. Invisible planes are visible to our eyes, but is not visible to the eyes of the radar. Now did you understand? They are also called stealth vehicles. Can you tell more about stealth vehicles, ma'am? I am very eager to learn about them. Sure, let's go to the sky and learn about stealth vehicles. Are you ready? Come on, let's go. This is a radar antenna. It produces radio waves. The full form of radar is radio detection and ranging. Radar system generates high frequency of radio waves. Antenna acts as a transmitter sending narrow beam radio waves through the air. So when the radio waves hit an object or enemy airplane, it reflects to the transmitter. So these objects are visible in the radar. But this will not work in a stealth vehicles such like stealth missiles or stealth planes. When the waves sent by the transmitter touch these stealth vehicles, it will not reflect. Instead, it deflects the waves to other direction. So the radar will not get information about these stealth vehicles. Stealth technology, also termed as low observable technology, is a sub-discipline of military tactics, and this is how a stealth bomber deflects the waves from the antenna transmitter, which covers a range of methods used to make stealth personnel, stealth aircraft, stealth ship, stealth submarine, stealth missile, stealth satellite, and ground vehicles, which are less visible, ideally invisible to radar, infrared or sonar and other detection methods. It corresponds to military camouflage for these parts of the electromagnetic spectrum. Sonar means sound navigation and ranging. IR radiation means infrared radiation. Hope you all learned about stealth vehicles and detection methods. Thanks.